Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Inspire DIY Challenge, which is hosted by Elena Jenkins from Elena Jenkins DIYs, and her co-host this month is Michelle's from Michelle's Cozy Home. If you follow my channel, you already know that my daughter and I are dumpster divers. If you don't know, it's because you're not following my channel, you're not subscribed, so this is the perfect moment to subscribe and to see all the trash to treasure things I make with the things we find in the dumpsters. One of the things we found was this frame at Michael's, and I thought it would be nice to make a tray. So I took these handles from another, it was a planter, and it was taller, so the handles were really too tall for this frame. So I just cut the, I think they were this way, I don't remember. I don't have tools, so I just bended the pieces back and forth till I could cut them. That's why they don't look perfect. I used E6000 to adhere them to the frame and some little nails. And then I decided that I was going to use for the back this, I don't know how you call them. These are those mats that you take to the beach. And I have bought this at Dollar Tree many years ago, and I don't use it anymore. So I took the measurements and I cut a piece to fit here. And there was a problem, and this is a tip for you. These sides, as you can see, have this border, no problem with that. But this side, I don't know the exact words in English for this, but you see what happens with this? So it ended up being too short and I couldn't use it. So what I did, I took another piece, but before cutting it, I added this packing tape, like this one, and I added pieces to the places where I was going to cut. I added one here. I was not cutting this side, but it was kind of breaking, so that's why I added this here. But I added larger pieces here. Oh, no, don't worry, it's a pencil. I don't need it now. So I could cut the borders without this, how do you call it? I can't remember. Fringing? No, it's not fringing. Well, you know what I mean. What I just showed you. And I cut these pieces with scissors. You can't use X-Acto knife, nothing like that. So now I have this piece, and I'm going to adhere it. I have the glass. I will show you it to you later, but I don't have the backing. So I use pieces of Dollar Tree foam that I have at home, and I had to use two because I needed something deeper. This is really deep, as you can see, and I don't even know if two are enough. And I'm going to glue this piece here. I have to be very careful because if I glue it this way, I'm going to have a space here, but this material is really stretchy, so I'm going to stretch it when I reach here to make sure that the whole back is covered. So I'm going to do that with hot glue, but I'm going to do that out of camera because you know how to do this, and I'll be back once everything is glued. So I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have this all glued to the back, maybe you noticed when I started gluing this that I did it with the side that had the packing tape to the front, and it was supposed to go to the back. But there was no problem because it was easy to remove, didn't affect the material. So I glued it with the masking tape, not masking tape, sorry, packing tape, still on, and then I removed it. I had to cut a little bit of this black border because it was showing through the glass, and that's what I did. And now we have to move on to the glass. What I did is I printed in paper the word thankful, and I printed it, flipping it horizontally, because I wanted to paint it on the glass but from the back, and that's why I adhered it with some scotch tape, and now I have to remove it. Well, I do this later. You know, I place this, well, scotch tape everywhere. I placed it this way, and from the back, sorry, you don't see it, I place it this way, and from the back using this marker that I love. I got it at Michael's, but you can get it everywhere, anywhere. I went through all the word, and now you can see it from the front like this. So now I'm going to place the glass in the frame. I hope I won't break it like I did with the home sign, you remember, like a couple of weeks ago. So here we have this. Now I'm going to add this piece. Like so. And this last piece. Yeah, it fits. And okay, I'm trying to fit it as firmly as possible, and then I'm going to glue it, but I want to show you how it looks from the front. I hope there is not too much glare. And this is my tray made with a frame from the dumpster. I really like how it looks. I'm going to clean the glass and adhere everything to the back, but I don't want to make you lose more time and make it longer, make this video longer. As usual, you will find the links to Elena's and Michelle's channels in the description box, as well as the link to the playlist with all the videos that are participating in this challenge. I will add the link to our dumpster diving channel. Please visit the hostesses' channels, the videos in the playlist, and our dumpster diving channel also, why not? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.